Welcome. This video demonstrates how to adjust the airflow temperature in a Subaru Impreza III, 2007 to 2013. These models use a manual climate control system with rotary knobs for easy temperature adjustment. Understanding this system allows you to maintain a comfortable cabin environment. The temperature control knob is located on the center dash. It's a rotary knob, clearly marked with cold blue and hot red indicators. Fan speed is controlled by a separate knob, and airflow mode is selected via buttons nearby. To increase the temperature, turn the rotary knob clockwise towards the red indicator. To decrease the temperature, turn the knob counterclockwise towards the blue indicator. The system mixes hot and cold air to achieve the desired temperature. Ensure the engine is running for optimal performance. If you're not getting any temperature change, several factors could be at play. First, check the engine coolant level. Low coolant can affect heating performance. Next, listen for the blend door actuator. A clicking sound may indicate a failing actuator that controls the mixing of hot and cold air. Finally, inspect fuses under the dash related to the HVAC system. Blown fuses can interrupt power to the climate controls. The blend door actuator is a small motor that controls the blend door, which mixes hot and cold air to adjust temperature inside the vehicle. The actuator consists of a small DC motor and a potentiometer that precisely positions the blend door to mix air temperatures. A failing actuator is a common problem in these vehicles. When the actuator fails, the blend door gets stuck and cannot properly mix hot and cold air. Symptoms include no heat, no cold air, or a clicking sound behind the dashboard. Replacement is typically a DIY repair, but can require removing parts of the dashboard. Regular maintenance can prevent many HVAC issues in your Subaru Impreza III. Start by replacing the cabin air filter annually to maintain good airflow and filter out dust and pollutants. For optimal performance, lubricate the blend door actuator every 50,000 miles to extend its lifespan and prevent sticking. The actuator controls the blend door that mixes hot and cold air. Apply a small amount of appropriate grease to moving parts. Reassemble components carefully and test the system. These maintenance steps help ensure reliable HVAC performance. While the Impreza III uses a manual climate control system, aftermarket upgrades can enhance functionality. Plug-in modules from companies like AEM Electronics retrofit automatic climate control systems. These cost $200 to $400 and integrate via OBD2 ports. These modules enable smartphone app integration, allowing remote control of temperature and fan settings through dedicated mobile applications. Universal auto climate control kits can add dual-zone control to the single-zone system, enabling different temperature settings for the driver and passenger sides. Adjusting the airflow temperature in your Subaru Impreza III is straightforward using the manual rotary temperature knob on the center dash. Turn clockwise for warmer air or counterclockwise for cooler air. Remember to troubleshoot common issues like stuck blend doors or failing actuators by checking fuses and using OBD2 scanners. For optimal performance, perform regular maintenance, such as cleaning the cabin air filter and greasing blend door actuators every 50,000 miles. For more in-depth repairs, consult Subaru's official service manuals available online, or seek advice from active online communities like Impreza Forum and Reddit's r/Subaru, where owners share experiences and solutions.